again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and again. Kadua ko na to. Lagay 5, 4, 3, and experiment or situation that can produce Okay, let's read types of probability. 5, 4, 3, 2, and Tika basa. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and feasible outcomes divided by. Di mo kabasa. Pakabasa ba yung ikuda? Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, and feasible outcomes divided by outcomes. The first one is experimental.
Probability based on result.
I think the first type is theoretical probability, then the second type is experimental probability, then the third is conditional probability. The fourth is the joint probability. Okay. Real world applications. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and
Real world applications. Insurance probability is used to calculate insurance.
Okay, dito sa PICAS, basic concepts, 5, 6, 7, everybody, and experiment. Or more outcomes of an experiment. Busy ba kayo sa uban? Okay, number 1. Okay, example ta. Everybody read. Okay, puzzle. Kaya yung pataas, just call their names or their group number. 10 points ra. Okay, what is probability? Yes, please. Imo yung na lesson. Prediction and outcome. Same lang mong topic actually. Unsa kay probability nga sugton si Sanjo kung manguyab sa kang Daniela? So that's probability. No? Kung kas-ara siya manguyab, duara na sa ipaingnan. Is it a yes or a no? No? Yes or a no? No? It's either sugton siya or basteron si Sanjo. Naabay mahitabo kung nakakrush si Sanjo kung Daniela pwede siya manguyab. Nabay mahitabo? Walay outcome mahitabo kung wala dili siya manguyab. No? Nakakrush lang siya, no? Wala sa ibuhaton. Pero kung nanguyab sa kas-a, that is theoretical probability kay kas-a naman. Pero gibasted din siya sa primero, pero sige siya panguyaba, no? Kaduwa, katulo, kaupat, kalima, kaunom. No? Gibuhat niya ang taran-taran, gihatag na niya ang taran-taran, kalibutan dito kang Daniela. Pero ang answer din niya Daniela is still a no. Muna sa experimental. Experimental probability meaning kapila niya gitry. No? Just like a coin toss. Unsa may naasa? Hoy, sinselyo natay head or tails. So kung ato siya itsa ang liso na noon. Ang sinselyo ikapila mo gawas ang head kung kasara sa iitsa. Kaisara. No? Kay kaisara man to sa iitsa. Single toss raman. Pero kung ikalima siya nato itos ang piso, ikapila ka magawas ang heads. Magdepende sa outcome. No? Magdepende sa outcome. Muna siyang probability. You have to experiment. So again, duha na siya. Ang isa is theoretical. Kung kas-ara siya, gitry. Pero kung kadaghan sa gitry, na trials, that is experimental probability. Okay, tag boards. Naka-test? Yes. Ano na ni? Wait lang. Paning 1 to 5. Bangala ni mo. Tapos, ABCD lang. Tungaan na rin yung chalk. Maurot na na siya. Ugman, inako, mga pahulam sa chalk. Bring your own chalk. Karot na kong chalk din na. Dago kayo mga chalk. Kapag mga tag-isag yun. Tunganan nyo kay ABCD naman. Okay, question number 1. Sit properly, UJ. Kayo ko pakita ni ko ang teacher, Joseph. What is the probability of getting a head in a single coin toss? Okay, A. Oh, 1 out of 2. Ano man na siya? 1/2 na siya pero 1 out of 2 tries, no? Kay 2 man na sila heads or tails. Okay, C.
1, C, 2. Okay. A, 0. C, 1.
Out of 2.
Out of 2. C, 1. D, 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, tag boards up. The answer, yes, teacher.
B.
Letter B, boy. So in probability, appeal ang number of outcome. Ang expected outcome is heads, di ba? Di ba ang atong gi-expect is heads. So isa ra man yun ka head kung single try lang. Pila man kabuk side sa coin? Duha, na head og tails. Buto siya ang bapa ang denominator. Wrong ila Krisha. 10. Okay. Question number 2. Okay, karon maulahi pagpataas sa Okay, question number 2. Kung pakadungog again? Again? May I see the question? Amide? Ang kaniya siya? A six-sided die. Die ba die? Diba? Kadang i-die ba? I-toss niyo mga die. Diba? Na may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six-sided die. Kada bang i-dice ninyo ba? Isa raman die. Kung dagan dice. What is a probability of rolling a 3? Nga mo gawas ko na pang-itcher 3. Kapila man, itos. Sara, kasara. Kasara daw. Kasara. Okay. Itsa ko na mo ang dice. Sa ko na probability nga mo gawas ang 3. Sige, 5. A. 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. Kay 6 man sila ka outcome. Out of 3. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Ayun sa pataas. 2 and 1 up. The answer is A. Unsaon kay? Ten ra. ABCD ra, overdose. 10. Minus 50 ng Saba. Tanan group correct. Okay, number 4. Okay, birthday pa din. Usa ka barahan, pila man ang kabalasan sa baraha? 52, wa na mati. Muna again. May I see? Kaya na niya. Okay. Very nice. A deck of 52 cards is shuffled. Unsa may mga symbols. Symbols sa kwan. Okay, we have spade, heart, diamond, and clubs. Kalam mo kay clubs man na. So there are 4. What is the probability of drawing a heart? Okay, go.
Drawing a heart?
Yes. A. Out of
4. B. 1 out of 3. C. 1 out of 2. D. 2 out of 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, and up. Okay, nganong A, nganong C. Okay, pila ka bok? Heart, diamond, club, spade. So, 4 na sila ka symbols. So, 1 out of 4. A letter A. A. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, wrong. Okay, next question. For 100 points. Okay. Dili ko mabasa, Sierra. Last na. For 100 points. Pero nga pagbasa. Basa ito number 4, yung 5. Basa number 4. Baby, I see number 5? Oh my god, this is so hard. Number 4 and number 4. So it's 5 factorial 625. Marble! Marbles. Marbles. Di ako basa de. Okay. Ang bag ko no, naisulod og mga marbles. Ano marbles? Jolene. 5 kabok red. Pila kabok red? 3 kabok blue. 3 blue. And 2 green. Pila ka red? Pila ka blue? Pila ka green? What is the probability of drawing a blue marble? Blue marble. Again, blue marble. Blue marble.
Pila tong green, sir? Pila tong
2.
Ang blue 3.
Okay. A.
Dili na. 1 of 3. A, 1 out of 5. B, 1 out of 4. C, 1 out of 3. D, 3 out of 10. Alam mo ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, raise back the chairs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hindi na ka-permi. Okay, we will sing the song. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Start. X. 5, 4, 3, 2, and. And what's the title? Clap your hands for Teacher Joseph.